This is an essential tool to keep in your car at all times. It is a jump starter, tire inflator, power bank, and emergency light. So it is 4-in-1, and it is called the UTRAI JS-30. Also in the package of this jump starter, tire inflator, and so on, you have an OBD2 scanner, and it has its own application so for you to diagnose your car. So in this video, I'm going to show you what comes in its box. I'm going to tell you about its specifications, show you its ports, and we'll be testing it by jump starting my car and also by inflating the tire of my car. For the OBD2 scanner, I'm going to make a separate video, otherwise this video will be very long. So let me start first by showing you what comes in its box. So let's open the box. Everything is in this carrying case. Let's open it. And this is the device. These are the accessories. It has everything you need. So this is some documentation. It even has a pair of gloves. This is the connection to adjust the pressure in your tires. This is USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it and to use it also to charge other devices. These are all the heads for inflation if you have like balls or the bicycles and stuff like that. The jumper cables, and this is a cigarette lighter extension that goes into the device. I'm going to show you everything. And this is an OBD2 scanner also that comes with it. And this is a very nice touch. For the specifications, this jump starter has a 7,000 ampere peak power, so it can start any petrol engine, and also it can start diesel engines up to 12 liters. It has these ports that are here. So you have here USB-C input port. This is USB-A output. It can provide 5 volts, 2.4 amps max. And this is USB-A quick charge output. And this is a DC 12-volt output. And this is where you connect the cigarette lighter if you want to use it. Now also here it has a light, and it has the port to connect the jump starting cables here. All these ports are protected with this rubber protections, so to prevent water and humidity from going in. And this is where you connect the tire inflation hose, and this device has 150 psi maximum inflation power. It has an internal battery of 16,000 milliampere hours. So to turn it on, press this button here and hold it. It will turn on. To change the mode of the inflations, you have preset modes, and it is in PSI here. So you press this here. Or if you want to change it yourself, what you can do is press the plus and minus button to get the inflation power you want. To start inflating, you press this one here. Careful now, it's going to emit a very strong noise. And to operate the light, you press this button. So now also careful, there will be strobing lights now. So press here once, this light will turn on, and it has also a light here, and it opens so that you can direct it however you want. So when this light is turned on, one other press on this button here, it will light up this light here. And now there will be strobing lights. So another press, it will go into SOS mode. And another press, it will only flash. And also another press, it will go into red flashing mode. And another press, it will turn off. So now let's go outside and test it. To inflate your tires, you need to attach the hose. It is a simple screw on here like this. It's very easy. Make sure that it screws on all the way, and then you need to start it. And when it starts, you need to put here the pressure that you want. So for me, it is 33. So I'm gonna go like this, 33 psi. And then you need to attach the hose here. So remove the protection of the valve and push it in. And then push this in like this. And now you see here that it shows you how much is the pressure now in the tire. So I have 31. I'm going to start the inflation, and it's going to stop automatically. When it reaches 33, as you saw, it stopped automatically. To jump start the car, you need to attach the jump starting cable to this jump starter. So open this here, and then it has a key, so it cannot go wrong. So it needs to go like this, and it has protection in case there is something wrong. So see the lights here, It means that it is ready, and you don't have to turn it on when you jump start your car. Make sure that these clamps will not touch. So I'm gonna put it here like this, and then I'm gonna start by putting the negative on the negative, and then for the positive here I'm gonna remove the protection and put it also here like this. And see, when it is connected correctly, you have this green LED light that lights up here. And now I'm gonna start my car. And when your car starts, disconnect the positive first, and then the negative, and then remove the cable. So you saw that this jump starter goes into PSI whenever you turn it on. If you want to change it to bar or kilopascal, press and hold the mode button, and it will change like this. Now, what I like about it is that it is a complete tool you put in your car, and it has many functions, and all the functions work very well. And I also like that it is provided with an OBD2 scanner. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified when I release the video of this OBD2 scanner. Now, one thing I would have liked it to be better in this jump starter and other device is that when you screw the tire inflation hose, you need to turn it completely like this. See how it turns? You cannot just screw it here. For instance, this other tire inflator, you can screw it just here and not all the hose will turn. But this is, I think, nitpicking, because once it is screwed, it works perfectly. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.